These are the Power Stop Performance front brake calipers in red for 94 to 98 GT and V6 Mustangs. You're going to want to be checking these out if you're looking for replacement calipers, you like the look of a red caliper, and you're on a budget. These front calipers cost about $85 and they come with a high-temp red powder coat finish. The install for these is going to be a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can expect it to take you about 2 hours to complete. So these are single piston floating calipers and they're a direct stock replacement. Depending on how bad your front calipers currently are, these might feel like an upgraded caliper to you. They're a bolt-on replacement and you get the calipers with the brackets. You will need to reuse your stock hardware for the install, or I'd recommend picking up new hardware. The calipers have premium boots, seals, and components, as well as high-temp silicone lubricant on the pins, so they will have a nice long life and of course a smoother operation. Of course, the calipers are inspected and they're tested as well, and they do come with a 90-day, 3,000-mile limited warranty. And the red powder coating will make the calipers stand out behind a wheel and give you a styling piece, but the powder coating does help with corrosion resistance too. And since these calipers are direct stock replacements, you don't have to worry about which pads to buy. You'll still pick up your normal brake pads for a 94 to 98 GT or V6. These are once again going to be your go-to budget-friendly option if you're looking for a red caliper. The install will be a 2 out of 3 wrenches, and you can always check these calipers out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.